In this video, we will see what are the types of field that are possible to create and their parameters on NIOS 4. Check is a field on-off, so a field to check. Color is a field in which you can choose a color. Currency is a field that allows to insertion of monetary types amount, and it's possible to choose how many decimals to insert after the comma. The nation of the reference of the currency, and whether to zoom or not on column when the field is inserted in the rows. Date is a date field, and it's necessary to set the format that can be date, hour, or date and hour. The steps in minutes, that is the deviation of minutes to use. Document state is a field that indicates the status of the document, and it's possible, based on it, to set certain actions. Email is a field in which to insert an email address, and it's possible to choose whether or not to allow the entry of two identical emails. File is a field that allows to uploading of a file that can be downloaded later. Geographic Position is a field that allows to insertion of an address and allows the acquisition of precise data of the geographical position. Global Counter is a field in which an automatic counter can be set, such as tools for document numbering. For this field, it's necessary to choose the counter to refer to among tools previously created. If you want to allow manual modification, the comparison field here, that is a date field created previously, and a date field for the synchronization that serves as a reference when using the cloud version. Image is a field in which it's possible to load an image file and set the maximum height and width. Integer is a field that allows to entry of integers. Link is a field in which it's possible to write a link that, clicking on it, allows to open the default browser, and you can choose whether or not to allow the entry of two equal links. List is a field that allows to choose between some options, and you have to choose the list to refer to among tools created previously. List check is a field with the same feature of a list field, but it allows to select more options. Notes is a text field that allows to entry of a lot of text, and also in this case you can choose whether or not to allow. Decimal number is a field that provides to the insertion of decimal numbers. And it's possible to choose how many decimals after the comma enter and whether to assume the figures in column when inserted in rows. Percentage is a field that allows you to enter a percentage, and even here we have the same parameters as the decimal number. Separator is a field that separates the fields from each other. Signature is a field within which it's possible to draw with the mouse or smartphone. State list is a field that allows you to choose between some options to which you can associate a color and choose a list from the twos previously created. Subtable is a field that allows the insertion of data from another table, and it's possible to set combination between the fields of the tables so that they are filled automatically. You have to choose the main table from which to take the data. You can enter a condition. After, set the combination. Choose whether or not to allow the insertion of free text. It's also possible to choose a secondary table and set the same parameters for that as well. Telephone is a field that allows the insertion of telephone numbers, and the parameter is the same as that of the email. Text is a field that allows the insertion of textual data, and also in this case, you can choose whether to allow or not duplicates. And you can choose whether or not to set a maximum number of characters. Tree is a field that is used to classify according to a hierarchy, and the only parameter to be set is the choice of the tree. You have to select one of the three previously created. Value allocator is a field that takes data from the value allocator option. For any information or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us at info@news4.com. We wish you a good work, and we will refer you to the next video.